When booting the computer, you may encounter the error of the boot selection failed because a required device is inaccessible. This video I will show you how to solve this operating system booting error. The boot selection failed because a required device is inaccessible after clone may be caused by the misconfigured BIOS settings. So, in order to solve this boot error, try to check the boot order in BIOS. Hence, you can restart your computer and press the setup key repeatedly to enter the BIOS menu like F2 and L button. And then check whether the first boot order is correct. If not, set it correctly your hard disk and first boot order. If all is well here, then enter load default settings and set BIOS settings to defaults. Then press F10 to save the BIOS settings and restart the computer. When it is finished, reboot your computer to check whether the boot selection failed because a required device is inaccessible is solved. The startup repair of Windows can help you to resolve some boot errors, such as the boot selection failed because a required device is inaccessible. So, in order to solve this boot selection failed error, you can try startup repair. Problem is still showing. To fix the problem, you first need to make a bootable pen drive. Note that the OS you have installed on your computer will be bootable on the pen drive. My bootable pen drive is already made. You can make it too. You can see how to make it by clicking on the link I button and see the video. Insert the computer into the bootable pen drive, then restart the computer. After the computer restart, in order to access BIOS setup on a Windows PC, you must press your BIOS settings setup key set by your manufacturer, which could be F10, F2, F12, F1, or Del button. Once the BIOS setup is open, select the pen drive you created with the bootable pen drive and press the enter key. After selecting the pen drive, your Windows computer will boot. Before you fix it yourself, you must know about computer, and after watching this video, if computer is any other problem, then it is your fault. Choose your language setting and then click next. Then click on repair your computer. Then when the system recovery options come up, click on Windows 7 and then click on next button. After entering system recovery options page, click startup repair to continue. Then it will scan your computer. If there are some problems with your computer, it will detect and fix them. You can follow the video to continue step. When all steps are finished, reboot your computer and check whether the issue of the boot selection failed because a required device is inaccessible problem issue is solved. In the same way, boot the computer again from the bootable pen drive and click on Repair PC to bring up the System Recovery option and follow the previous step. After entering System Recovery Options page, click Command Prompt to continue. In the pop-up command line window, type the command bootrex/rebuild bcd and hit Enter to continue. Note: if the program finds a Windows installation and asks whether it should add it to boot list, type yes to continue. When the process is finished, reboot your computer and check whether the issue of the boot selection failed because a required device is inaccessible is solved. As soon as it starts, you must open the bootable pen drive and let the computer boot. You will see that the computer will start without any problem. This way you can fix the computer too. If you like this tutorial, after watching my video, please like the video. If the computer is still the same problem, be sure to visit a computer expert or a nearby computer repair shop. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubts related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.